Dude, I'm trying to play on the fucking computer. Why don't you get back to me?
John. You little bitch.
Do what?
You know what I'm talking about.
Dude, I have no idea what the fuck you're talking about. I guess headache right now. Would you shut the fuck up?
Oh my god, dude. Are you serious? Are she getting a little camera shy? John.
Hey, Mackenzie, did I ever tell you something?
What?
Bitch!
Come on. Do what you were doing when I was downstairs. John.
The bitch is like you too, motherfucker! Shut the fuck up with you stupid ass laughing motherfucker! I'm with yeah! Yeah! Shut the fuck up! Like you want to listen shit too bad! I'll whip your ass too! Shut and lock the door. Shut and lock the fucking door! Oh, fuck! She said it!
Listen here. Now listen.
Winnie, get him.
Okay. And Mom and Dad, listen.
I'm listening!
Don't raise your mouth like
I swear I stopped!
No, listen.
Alright, go.
Mom and Dad will walk through the door any minute. So you watch your mouth.
I'll be like, Mom, what the fuck's up, Mom?
I'm serious.
Hey, replay the
No,
video.
don't look at me because I'll have them phone.
Come on, John, do it again. he was like, I see dead people.
I see dead people.
Hey, bitches, that's you too, motherfucker! Holy shit, dude.
Enough.
Okay, John, do one more funny thing.